Okay, let's talk about customizing your curriculum kit. So at Timberdoodle, we believe that each child is individual and each family is individual. And so while we have assembled these curriculum kits that we believe will work well for most children, we know that all children are not alike and all families are not alike. And so we have allowed for that with our kit customizer. So Grace, do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, so whether you are running on a different schedule than some families, whether you are teaching multiple students at the same time, or whether you're working with a student who is gifted or a student who needs extra supports, you may need to customize your curriculum kit. So let's just talk about if you're teaching multiple students at the same time. That would be an ideal time to say, I know math, language arts, some of these subjects are going to be very grade specific, but I know history and science are really easily combined. Sometimes art is fun to do together. And so that's where you would customize it to say, I want these components for this student and I want to combine these subjects on this other for the rest of them.
Absolutely. Or maybe you've already purchased your math curriculum for a student last year and you're going to use that same level for your next student this year. So you might need to customize the kit and say, don't give me the whole Math UC curriculum. I only need another student book because I've already have the rest of the components from last year for my last student. So all of these are good reasons to customize your kit. You can do that with our online customizer, or you can give us a call or shoot us an email and say, here's the changes I want to make to my kit. Can you send me a quote so that I can place this order? Either can work really well.